In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for DTC brand ideas fast and easy. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and type Google Trends into the search bar. If you're unfamiliar with Google Trends, it's a powerful tool that provides insights into what people are searching for around the world. And it's especially useful for budding entrepreneurs in the DTC space looking for trending topics or products in their niche. Once you've entered your search, click on the first link that pops up. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage. From here, you'll want to click on the Explore section. This is where you can begin to dig deeper into the various trends happening right now. Now it's time to start with some broad consumer product themes. Think in terms of lifestyle categories, which are common areas for DTC brands, such as personal care for skincare and hair care, wellness, and fitness, which includes supplements and activewear, food and beverage like snacks and energy drinks, home and living, which covers decor and kitchen gadgets, and lastly, fashion and accessories including shoes, jewelry, and bags. Enter one of these terms into the search bar to get started. Hit Enter, and take a look at the results. This is where setting some filters can really fine-tune your exploration. You can choose a specific location, like your city or region, to match your target audience. The time range is another crucial factor. Selecting the last 12 months, 12 months can provide insights into consistent demand, but if you want to catch rising trends, try the last 30 or 90 days. Next, select a category such as health or medical health to narrow down the results to those that are most relevant to your inquiry. Usually, the search type is set to web search, but you can switch to news search to explore trending topics or regulations in the medical field. Scroll down the results page to find related topics and queries. This section is packed with valuable data. You'll see associated categories and trending searches related to your initial term. Pay attention to labels like rising or breakout. These are signs of emerging opportunities in the DTC market. For instance, if you entered plant-based snacks, you might discover popular breakout queries like mushroom jerky or seaweed chips. Another useful feature is the Compare button, which allows you to test multiple product themes side by side. Pick 3 to 5 product ideas and see which one demonstrates the strongest upward momentum. Finally, don't forget to validate and save your ideas. Be sure to document important details such as your product idea, the trend direction it's following, the target region, and any rising-related searches you've found. These insights will serve as excellent seed niches for building your DTC brand concept and developing your product roadmap. By following these steps, you can effectively harness the power of Google Trends to quickly generate innovative DTC brand ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy brainstorming!